Hi, my name is Lisa. Welcome to our special speech crafting moment. Today we're going to make Jedi lightsabers for our young Jedi friends. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Here's what you'll need to get started. A water bottle, a tin can, glue, glitter, water, a funnel, food coloring, electrical tape, scissors, and decorations. Alright, now we're going to assemble our project here. Once again, we have a half-filled water bottle here. Next, we're going to add the glitter. We want to do that before the funnel gets wet and sticky. About 2 tablespoons worth. Perfect. Now we're going to add the glue. Equal parts glue and water. That will help suspend the glitter. This part takes a little patience. Okay, so now we have our glue, our water, and our glitter. Now we're going to add a couple of drops of food coloring. I have a little green and yellow here. And I'm going to put the top on nice and secure. And give it a little shake. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Now, if I wanted my saber to glow, I could also add a light stick. So I'm going to activate my light stick here so it will glow in the bottle. Love the sound of that. And stick it right on in. Okay. So now here's our bottle. We've got the glitter, the glue, the water, and our light stick. That's going to give it a great glow. Now, we want to make sure that it's not too hot when we do it so that our bottle doesn't open. Now we're going to add a little electrical tape to kind of give some contrast to the can around the edges. Oops, and our glue is still drying there. Okay, for the finishing touch, I'm just going to use a few sticky buttons here to add a little control mechanism for our saber. And you can do the same, or you can draw accents on your saber as well. There we have it. The resistance is ready for battle. Alright, here's one more way you can make your bottles even more exciting by having them glow. You can take an ordinary highlighter, remove the tip, and soak it in a bottle of water for about an hour. And as you can see, this bottle is now fluorescing. With an ultraviolet light, you'll get that perfect reaction. Alright, our lightsabers are now complete. You're now ready for Jedi training. Good luck and may the 4th be with you.